Today I have a high protein, low calorie density soup for you, so stick around. Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan. Welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, I'm a plant-based RN. I follow a whole food plant-based diet. And on my channel, you're gonna find really quick and easy recipes that'll help you achieve your health and weight loss goals. So if that sounds good to you, please subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video, which is every Tuesday and Saturday. And you can also follow me on Instagram for more plant-based content. Be sure to check out the links below for all the resources that I offer. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a really easy, low calorie density soup. It's going to be high protein, full of fiber, and it's perfect if you're trying to lose weight and if you're trying to maintain your protein goals. I'm sure you've noticed if you've been following me for a while that I've been adding more protein to my meals, not excessive amounts, but I've been making sure I have protein at every meal. And boy, I had no idea how controversial this was going to be. It is amazing the comments I'm getting. Everything from you don't need to worry about how much protein you get to thank you, I've been feeling the same way as you, a whole spectrum. But I've gotten a lot of comments, people wondering, why am I worried about protein? Well, guess what? As you get older, you need more protein. I think it's important to have a well-balanced diet. And I really wasn't getting enough protein. I wasn't focusing on it. I was eating a lot of potatoes and rice and veggies and occasionally some beans and some tofu. And it just wasn't enough for what my needs are. I'm very active. I do some kind of exercise every single day. I go to the gym 3 days a week and I lift weights. And I do a lot of other activities. So it was really important to me to maintain my muscle mass. And if you're my age or older or around my age, I'm 67, this is what we need. We need strong muscles so we're not frail old ladies. You need to have that muscle strength to maintain good bone health and to keep you from falling and breaking a hip or something like that. So having strong muscles is really important for a lot of reasons, and getting enough protein is one way to do that. So for all of you out there that are wondering why I'm worried about protein, I'm not really worried about it. I'm just eating the amount of protein that I need for my needs, for my age and my activity level, and that's it. And I really hope that explains it to most people out there. So back to the reason why you clicked on this video in the first place. I'm going to be making this soup. It's going to have veggies, it's going to have potatoes, celery, carrots, onions, kale. It's going to have chickpeas, it's going to have soy curls, so it's going to have lots of fiber. And the best part, it comes in about 300 calories per serving and 20 grams of protein. And a really good amount of fiber. So let's get started on the soup. We're starting off with heating up a 1/4 cup of veggie broth in a big pot here. We're just adding in an onion, a carrot, and a couple stalks of celery. And we'll let this cook down for about 5-6 minutes till the veggies are softened. So we're looking good here. We're gonna add some garlic, some minced garlic. And just let that saute for a minute. Next, we're going to add 6 cups of water. I'm going to add a no chicken bouillon cube. If you don't have that, then just use 6 cups of veggie broth. I'm adding in a can of chickpeas that I've rinsed and drained, 2 chopped potatoes, 100 grams of soy curls, which I rehydrated just by soaking in water. Let's turn the heat up a little bit. And then I've got some nutritional yeast, garlic powder, onion powder, and some Italian seasoning. And I'm going to check if I need salt at the end. But right now we're going to bring it to a boil, let it simmer, and we're going to let this go for 20 minutes or so. We just want to make sure the potatoes are done. And then everything is going to soak up the flavor. And then I'm just going to have the lid kind of half on. So the last 5 minutes, I'm going to add in a couple cups of finely chopped kale. And about a tablespoon of lemon juice, just to wake up those flavors and just add some freshness, brightness. And we'll just let this go for 5 more minutes and then we'll be ready to taste. All right, here we go, finished product. All right, let's give it a try. Get a little bit of the chickpeas, the soy curls, potato. This is so good. It just really tastes like chicken soup. But without the cruelty, so it's a win-win. I am just loving soy curls. They're so good and so versatile. I use them in so many things. And I will be sharing those with you very soon. So you see, just a simple soup, just adding some soy curls, chickpeas, bumps up the protein, nothing controversial about it. And this recipe serves 4, and it's very generous serving, so very filling, and like I said, just about 300 calories and 20 grams of protein. So if you like this video, if you learned something, please give it a like and share it with your friends. And let me know in the comments below if you have controversial conversations with people about protein. I don't know what it is, but this really gets people fired up. I'm not sure why. But anyway, if what you're doing is working for you, then don't worry about what I'm doing. This is just for me, and I'm sharing what I'm doing. But if it's something different from what you're doing, and what you're doing is working, great. Keep on doing it. I want everyone to do what's best for them. Remember, all my recipes are good for you, they're good for the animals, and they're good for the planet, and what you put on your plate determines your fate and your weight. Until next time, thank you.